Avery, how are ya?
Hello, I'm good.
You are good, aren't you?
Yeah, I just got a pass.
You did?
Yeah,
How do you feel now, mate?
exciting.
Very exciting,
Forward
isn't
to
it?
drive, you know.
Yeah, with that bright sun in the back.
Mm.
So, you came and started here back about 6 months ago. You had a couple of lessons. Remember that?
Yeah, I remember that.
And then since then you've been practicing?
Yep.
And so tonight we did some more training. And here you are.
Yep.
And how did you go with all your practice things that you had?
Oh, it's great.
Practiced all
Yeah,
okay?
quite okay? Yeah.
Yep. What would you like to share with the other students looking at the video? What would you like to say?
Don't feel so nervous.
Yeah.
And examiner is very kind of people, and trust yourself.
Exactly.
Yep.
And you know, at the end of the day, he can only judge on what you show him and how you drive and understand the road rules. And that's what you did. So you come up with a good pass. Fantastic score, mate.
Thank you.
So well done, pal. Yeah, all the best. And happy and safe motoring.
Yep.
Okay, thanks for that, Avery, and thanks for choosing Prepare to Pass to come and get your P's. See you, mate.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.